Up to yesterday, we have discussed about the particular notation of vectors and some definitions. What is unit vector and position vector, displacement vector. We have taken one example also, that is simply mosquito and ant. Just we have discussed these things by using these examples, live examples only. We have discussed all those things, Nana. Right. Now I'm going to discuss. Yesterday I told you already. Now I'm going to discuss about the mathematical operations. Mathematical operations in vectors by using vectors. Vectors also the physical quantities. That's why by using this vector physical quantities, I am going to discuss about the mathematical operations. Mathematical operations are nothing but someone already told me, that is BODMAS. Now simply addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all those things also we need to learn under the vector algebra. So for that purpose, simply today only I am going to discuss about the addition of vectors. Vector physical quantity is nothing but definitely it has both magnitude and direction. You know very well about this vector physical quantity, vector algebra. Under this vector algebra, just I am going to discuss about the addition of vectors. Addition of vectors. Addition of vectors. Addition of vectors is nothing but simply addition. General addition only. Suppose two numbers are scalars are there. Some numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 like that numbers are there. If you want to the addition of these any two numbers, any three numbers like that, you can write 2 plus 3 plus 4 like that, or 2 plus 3 like that. You can do Nana. But here these physical quantities are not scalars. These are the vector physical quantities. I am going to add the vector physical quantities. So for that, for those vectors, addition of those vector physical quantities, just I am going to use simply let a bar is be the one vector and b bar be another vector. A bar and b bar be the any two vectors. A bar and b bar be any two vectors. Let it be just simply those two are any vectors. So I want to add those two vectors. Suppose generally there are two different ways, Nana. To add those two vectors, there are two different ways. First method is simply component method. Component method, Nana. Component method is nothing but suppose if they given in the component form, a bar is equals to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. B bar is equals to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Then I want to add these two vectors. So for that purpose, simply two component, simply x component, add those two components, add these two components, add these two components. So addition nothing but a symbol for addition is plus. A bar plus b bar is equals to simply ax plus bx. I want to add these two, ax plus bx. What is the common term here? The common term is I cap, Nana, plus ay plus by in the second term, common term j cap, Nana, plus az plus bz, Nana, k cap. Ax plus a bx I cap, ay plus by j cap, az plus bz k cap. This is a addition. The resultant of addition of these two vectors is ax plus bx I cap, ay plus by j cap, plus az plus bz k cap nana. This is the vector addition of two vectors a bar and b bar nana. Addition of vectors vector a and vector b. Like this they give. Suppose I am giving one example nana. Example, a bar is equals to, suppose, is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap, and b bar is equals to 2i cap minus 5j cap plus 7k cap. Right, Nana? Just what is the addition of these two vectors? A bar plus b bar, Nana. A bar plus b bar is equals to how much? For that purpose, simply components ax and bx, ay and by, az and bz, I want to add those. So 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4. Common term is, common one is I cap. 3 plus 3 plus minus 5 nana, j cap, plus minus 4 plus 7 k cap nana. So that is equals to 4i cap. Next 3 plus minus, plus into minus, how much nana? Minus 3 minus 5 minus 2 j cap. And after that minus 4 plus 7, minus 4 plus 7 is nothing but a plus 3 k cap. So this is the addition of these two vectors. This is a method of addition of vectors if it is in the component form. If it is in the component form, then you can add like this. Right now, general, in the general addition only, it is looking like a general addition, but you must take the components. First component, x component of first vector, x component of second vector, y component of first vector, y component of second vector, z component of first vector and z component of second vector. Just I want to add those things. Right, Nana? So just I want to add those things only. Right? So now see here, I given one example also, 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap, 2i cap minus 5j cap plus 7k cap. Addition of these two vectors you got like this now. Is it okay? Now after this, simply to addition purpose, there is some graphical representation is also there. General addition, this was the general addition, and general graphical representation is also there. When it is, suppose two vectors are, yes, I am rubbing this, Nana. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right, very good, very good. Next, these two vectors only, there is a graphical representation. There is a graphical representation, Nana. Right. Graphical representation of addition of vectors. Graphical representation, Nana. Graphical representation is nothing but a simply, let it be, I told you already, there are different graphical representation methods are there. First one is, I am discussing about the triangle law of addition of vectors. Triangle law of addition of vectors. Triangle law of addition of vectors nothing but a simply a bar, b bar, two vectors they have given in the question. Then you must take a first vector like this, graphical representation. This type of questions also you will get, Nana. So a bar vector, first vector, always first vector you must place like this, Nana. Are you getting double sound, Nana? Double voice? Are you getting any double voice?
No, sir.
Right, very good. First of all, from these two vectors, you have to be placed first vector like this, horizontal way. In the horizontal way, you must place the first vector. Right, Nana? Right? Second vector. this second vector, you must take this second vector as I told you, Nana, this is head of the first vector, this is the tail of the first vector. Now b bar vector is at here, just this is the b bar vector, Nana. Head of the second vector, tail of the second vector, Nana. Someone is making disturbance, Nana. Please identify yourself and just adjust. Mute yourself, Nana. Mute yourself. Mute yourself, Nana. Yes. This is from this given two vectors. Vector A bar. Are you getting voice, Nana?
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. A bar
Yes,
vector and B bar vector. Two vectors are there, Nana. Two vectors are there. So these two vectors, vector A and vector B, just they have given like this, some in the graphical representation. Please add those two. After adding those two vectors, you get which diagram, resultant diagram, like that questions will be there, Nana. So for that purpose, simply you have to be take this A bar vector, this B bar vector. This is the tail of the first vector, head of the first vector. Tail of the second vector, head of the second vector, Nana. Right? Tail of the first vector, head of the first vector. Tail of the second vector, head of the second vector. Just you have to be placed first vector like this, Nana. Like this. But second vector, you have to be placed second vector like this, Nana. You have to be place second vector like this, Nana. The tail of the second vector like this. Tail of the second vector, you have to be place the tail of the second vector at the head of the first vector, right? Like this you have to be placed, Nana. So then graphical in this representation, definitely you will get by joining this one, head of the second vector after completion of this first step. Yes, there are three different steps, Nana. First step, you have to be placed like this horizontally, first vector. Second vector, you must place the head of tail of the second vector and head of the first vector you must have to be placed like this, Nana. Right? So then join like this after second step completed. Third step is you must join the tail of the first vector and head of the second vector. Tail of the first vector and head of the second vector, Nana. Tail of the first vector and head of the second vector.
AB magnitude.
Then you will get this is not only magnitude, both magnitude and direction you will get, Nana. A bar plus B bar. By adding this vector A bar, vector A and vector B, you will get some other vector. Let it be C. C bar is a resultant of A bar and B bar vector. Resultant. Addition nothing but resultant. Always you must use the word resultant. So by adding those two vectors, you will get some other vector. So that new vector will be definitely, it can be yes like this, Nana. It will be like this.